Hey everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to fix missing track option on YouTube. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. Then you want to search for apps like so. Then go to manage apps. And if you are using the iOS, you are going to do the same steps. Now I'm going to search for YouTube. I'm going to go for the YouTube option. Then you want to go and click on pause app activity if unused. Just make sure that this option is toggled on. Then you want to go and click on storage, then click on clear data, click on clear cache, click on OK. And this is the first step. Now the second step is to go and open the Play Store or App Store, whatever you have. Then you want to search for YouTube, just like so. Then you want to open it and click on update and make sure that you have the latest update. So these two steps are very necessary in order to fix the issue of missing audio track. Now, after completion of the download of YouTube and the download of the update, what you should do right now is to simply wait for the installation. And after the installation, you will have to open the YouTube application and get any video in order to check if your issue has been fixed or not. But most probably, in most cases, in 99% of cases, it will be fixed. So now I'm going to click on open. Then I'll search for a random video. Let's say this video, for example. I'm going to click on the video. And I'm going to click on the settings option on the top right side. And here you can see the audio track option. You can choose the original, or you can choose any language you need. You can even close the captions. And here the audio track has been actually working well. Here you have multiple languages. And these multiple languages are depending on the type of the video and the YouTuber and the video itself. So not all of these languages you will find it in all videos and for all YouTubers. No, but this is because this is a big YouTuber. This is a well-known YouTuber. He has all these languages in the audio track option. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.